What if you could discover the secret system that is creating financial freedom for thousands of people around the world, safer and faster than anything else online? Maybe you are one of those people struggling at their jobs, getting paid less than you should be. Maybe it's time to reconsider another option. What would you do if you know smart, successful business people who understand the volatility of our extreme economic system and who are using one critical system to grow their money and build a financial future? As more people are discovering this unique system we have that is creating true prosperity from the comfort of their homes, and that secret system is the Evergreen FFX Gold Daily Income Bot. Artificial intelligence has been the top choice for traders over the past decade, and it is expected to become the future of online trading, but most people are not leveraging this opportunity. Our mission is to provide a decentralized, automated system that is secure, affordable, and profitable for everyone around the globe. This is the unique financial opportunity people are seeking at this critical time in economic history. When inflation rates have soared past a staggering 3,000% in the last 20 years, the highest ever recorded in human history. Our AI bot will make smart, decentralized trades for you. So all you have to do is sit back and watch your hard-earned money work for you. You even earn more through our unique marketing structure. While others trade, you earn. We are now making the possibility of living in true abundance available to everyone. We have a record 100% win rate, and we are confident that we can help you get the same results. Visit our website to create your free account now. Subscribe, input your trade settings, and watch our system print money for you. Evergreen FFX welcomes you to a limitless world of abundance.